the heart of the jungle by a muddy stream
lived a hippo named Hank who loved to dream. He'd roll in muck and splash all day, but take a bath, he'd run away.
Oh, Hank the hippo, stinky and proud, leaves a funky trail and a muddy cloud. Soap and water, no thank you. I'm a wild hippo, not a shampoo zoo.
The monkeys held their noses tight. The parrot squawked,
He smells like fright.
even crocodiles took a step back when Hank walked by with a stinky snack.
Oh, Hank the hippo, funky and free, smells like fish and a rotten brie. Scrub a dub, he says no way. I'm keeping this stink for another day.
But then one day, a rainstorm came, a waterfall poured like a soapy flame. Hank slipped and slid, what a bubbly ride, and came out sparkling on the other side.
Now Hank the hippo sparkles and gleams, the cleanest hippo in all the streams. He sniffs his pits and gives a cheer.
I smell like flowers, bring me here each year.
Oh, Hank the hippo, stinky and proud, leaves a funky trail and a muddy cloud. Soap and water, no thank you. I'm a wild hippo, not a shampoo zoo.
I'm a wild hippo, not a shampoo zoo.